Hello, welcome back to my channel. We are making a fish with achiote sauce, and for that we're going to make the marinade first with achiote. And I will leave the video on how to make that marinade at the very end because that's what we're going to use in order to make this sauce. And that is a very simple marinade. I'm using tilapia in this case, but you can use any type of fish. And we're gonna marinate the tilapia for about 3 to 4 hours at the most. 2 hours is fine. And when we cook the fish, it's going to have a lot of flavor already. And we're gonna dry it. Then we're going to pass it through flour. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil and butter to the pan, and we're going to cook the tilapia on medium heat for about a minute and a half on each side. Once that is done, we're going to remove the fish. We're going to add a tablespoon of butter, and we're going to add the marinade to that. Then we're going to mix the marinade with the butter until the sauce thickens. Doesn't take very long, and you're going to leave it to the thickness that you like. Then you're going to put it either on top, or you can put the sauce on the bottom of the plate and put the tilapia on top. We're going to taste it. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so, sharing with your friends on social media, and a thumbs up is always welcome. For those of you who would like to support me and the work that I do, I'm also going to leave a link to Patreon in the description box below. You can serve that tilapia with salad. In this case, I serve it with a Caesar salad, but you can also do it with yellow rice and Cuban style black beans. And I will leave the recipe in the description box below for the yellow rice and the Cuban style black beans.